Yep. First one, baby. First one, bruz. Jolie, first on the board. Not a bad one. Sick. On the kicker curly. Beautiful, man. Alright guys, first bass for me for the morning on that kicker curly. On the bigger kicker curly. That's a gorgeous fish, man. Super healthy. First hit. Smashed it. Didn't miss that. Get this guy back in and we'll continue on. Perfect weather for this. Oh! Oh my god, that was huge. Bro. That was huge. Pull the hooks. That scared the living Christ out of me. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. That was huge. Bro. That was huge. Hang on. One on the little cheap swim bait, only a little fella. Another one on the swim bait. There he is, only a little fella. See you, dude. That's how you do it, bro. Yeah? Can someone catch a fish soon, please? David? Yeah, the boys need a fish. We need a fish, alright? Thank you. Yep. Well, he's not bad either. Didn't fight at all. Oh man, look how fat this guy is. Alright, there's another bass. He's not too bad. Bit beaten up. Nice fat belly though. On that little Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, Temu swim bait. Not bad. I think that's number 4 for me, so yeah, chunky belly. Boy, sick. Alright, we're going to stop for a little bit of a brunch. Probably have a little cast into the snags there from the bank here, I reckon. We're going to have a bit of a drink and just to regroup. We've had quite a frustrating morning, but what bass trip isn't without its frustrations? So we'll see what happens. Looking forward to a drink and some food though. Alright, let's see what we got going on in here. We got wraps. We got some black truffle Australian sea salt chips. Tabasco. Lettuce mix, some of the beautiful smoked tailor that we did in our last episode, chipotle aioli, wash that down with one of those bad boys, bag of lols. Let's go. How's this for a picnic zone? Look at this grass here, man. Smoked Taylor, some crisps, some salad, chipotle aioli, bit of Tabasco. Yeah, boys. That's how we do it. Alright, we're about to hit the water again. Just had lunch, had some lolos, and yeah, back on the water. I'm going to just tied on a little Daiwa Steez chatterbait, 1/4 ounce, something nice and natural. So I think it's just after 1. So yeah, windy as, storms are coming and going, so we'll see how we go, but got to be in it to win it. We're about 1/3 of the way there, so we've got a long way to go. Plenty of fishing to be had, so hopefully we can catch a few more. Yeah, I'm out of the game. I'm out of the game. Jeez, that edge looks good. Yep, fish. Oh, bro, yeah. Oh, just saying how good that edge looks. It's a whitey. Yeah, he's pretty good. By far my biggest. Now guys, that is a pretty decent little bass. Just started the afternoon sesh after our lunch and just using that little Daiwa Steez chatterbait. Absolute cracker. I guess we'll get this guy back in because I'm drifting away and keep on going. Bye. Oh, bro. Is that a fish? After your lure? Got him. I got him. Bro. That was insane. What the hell? I cast in there, rolled it back, saw a fish pop surface, threw my chatterbait in there and he smoked it. What? He's not a bad fish either. What's going on? That was such cool timing. Well, I reckon my chatterbait must have spooked a bit of bait or something and he's come up and eaten it. There he is, another little bass. He's not too bad. That was sick. Can't go wrong with that. Very healthy. Handsome looking bloke. Oh boy, the chatterbait, bro. It's coming. Hey? Oh, you're joking me. You're kidding. I thought that was a bass, man. Dang. Oh, what? That's a fish. That was weird, man. It's not a bad one either. That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life, man. I cast in there and it got stuck on like the branch, and then I went to reel it off and I thought I still had the branch, and then all of a sudden it just started swimming. Got it up to almost a kayak and then it started boosting off. I was like, what? Sick. About as big as the other one though. Oh yeah. Nice guy. Very happy with him. Bye. That was really weird, man. The old chatterbait getting a few now. Oh! Oh, yes, he came back. Is he on? Yeah, mate. He was on, then dropped it and came back and ate it again, unless it was 2 different fish. It's not a bad fish, David. That's not a bad one. That was sick. He's pretty good. There he is.
Oh, he's good.
Yeah, he's good. Probably be 40. He's pretty long, eh? Not a bad fish at all. Get Davo involved and just, you know. Oh, there's another one. Oh, bro. Oh, he's tussling. Pretty good. He's 40. He's over 40. Yeah, go on. He's 42.
Really?
He's a good fish, man. I got him so close to that snag. I just locked it up. I'm like, yeah, bro, I got 20 on 20 litre. You ain't going anywhere, brother. Yeah, guys, that is an absolute stud. 42. Nice big fat belly there. Super stoked with that one. Just still using that little chatterbait on the way home. It might be possibly the last fish. We don't actually have that far to go, but yeah, close to the snag there, and he just came out and smashed it, and we had a nice little tussle there. So yeah, that's an awesome fish. Probably the biggest of the session. It's been pretty good average size. Been catching some decent fish, so it's good. No rats, so yeah, nice fish. Stoked with that guy. Anyway, we'll get this guy back in, and hopefully we get another one before we have to go, but yeah, I'm stoked. Yoo! Beautiful. Alright guys, well that's going to be the end of the episode. Hope you guys enjoyed flicking the flow. It was a really nice day out in the water today. Beautiful lunch, and we just took our time and just really enjoyed being back up in the creek. It's been a very long time since we've been up here, and it's been really nice. So yeah, it was good to get out and get the bass season started. There will be more jack fishing than bass fishing this season. But when it's windy on the coast and it's not really fishable, we'll definitely be smashing the creeks. So yeah, it's pretty stoked with the session we had. I think my biggest was about 42, and just the average quality size was pretty good up there. So yeah, stoked with that one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Like, share, subscribe, all that juicy stuff, baby. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.